and welcome back to Daiso Girl! Today's gonna be my first time going fishing! So, let's do our best today! Today we're at Lake Anderson and we're trying our best to catch a fish today. So let's get started! All you'll need is a handy dandy Daiso fishing rod. It even comes with instructions. Screw the reel on tightly and lift the bail arm. Unclip the line and place the line through each of the rod guides. And make sure to close the bail arm after. Bend the rig open till it forms an L shape. Place the line through the rig and spin it to twist the line. Knot the end of the line into the loop. Ta-da! Make sure to clip the hook onto the other side. Pull out the rod from the top section by section. Time to put on the bait. Hold the line down slightly when you cast. And voila!
I'm good at this.
Reel in and pick up the slack when the bait lands.
Oh, really?
Okay, so I just have to feel it, right?
Yeah, when you feel something nibble at you.
It's hard, huh? Fishing's hard.
I've gone fishing a lot and I never caught a fish.
No way!
I've never caught a single fish yet.
Back home now. We couldn't catch a fish today, but that's a-okay because we're gonna do it until we catch one. Watch out for my fishing series and we'll have more fun together. I hope you all have a peachy day because Daiso Girls out.